Hello, this is a demonstration of how the laser detects objects and triggers certain actions. As you can see, I'm moving my hand over the laser to observe its reaction. Here is the room I'm currently in, and this is its layout displayed in the application. While I move my hand, you can notice how fast the data updates in real time, almost instantaneously. The system is extremely fast and precise, accurately detecting the position and angle of my hand. Now moving on to detecting the reference object. This is the objects I've set in the laser's application settings. The goal here is to ensure there is always an object in place. In this case, an iron casing connected to the crane's boom. The laser should always detect this iron case to confirm that it's installed correctly. We don't want the laser to fall or malfunction and start giving us incorrect data. Here is the evaluation field I've set up. As the laser detects an object within the field, it confirms that the laser is positioned correctly. When the condition is met, it triggers the reference output to signal to the PLC that everything is in place and functioning as it should.